Students, please keep your camera on and mic on mute. Keep your mic on mute and keep your camera on. We are just waiting for few more students to join in, then we'll start at 1 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please keep your mic on mute and keep your camera on. We are just waiting for few more students to join in.
Sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Just 3 minutes more. We'll wait for few more students to join and then we'll start sharp at 1 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Sir, ready?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please keep your mic on mute. Okay. Good afternoon, students. My name is Pawan Kumar Srivastav. You all know I am librarian of Kendriya Vidyalaya Dharmapuri. Today, here we are going to organize a workshop on the topic newspaper reading skills. Okay. So I would like to request all the students, please keep your camera on. And I would also like to request all the special guests to keep your camera on, so that we can have eye-to-eye contact while we are speaking. What, sir? स्टूडेंट्स दिख रहे हैं ना?
अपने आप दिख रहा है। मैंने क्लिक किया अपने ऊपर के बाद में उसमें इंडिविजुअल आ गया।
Okay, so let's start the day, and let's make this workshop fruitful. I hope you all read the newspaper, but today we'll share a few important and good tips and skills, how to develop these skills, and we'll share the tips for that. And let me introduce you guys with the special guests of the day for this workshop. So first of all, we have Gaurav Tripathi sir. Gaurav Tripathi sir, please turn on your camera.
Okay, sir, I am turning. Wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
I am coming.
So let me introduce other members till now, till then, and the special guest of the day is, apart from the speakers, we have one more special guest today, Sri Kapil Kumar sir from Mumbai region. He is also a librarian. I request Kapil sir to please turn on your camera and introduce yourself with the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Dharmapuri. Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Thank you. I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you for adding me, Pawan sir. My name is Kapil Singh Thakur, KBONGC Panve. Thank you. Very nice initiative by Pawan sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we have Inder sir. So students, you all know Inder Raj Meena sir. He is a primary teacher. He'll be giving you some tips about the reading newspaper today. Now next is one more special speaker, Sri Mukesh Kumawat sir, PGT History. Sir, would you like to speak?
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
How are you all?
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, so now let's start the day today, and we'll be sharing with you important tips about the reading newspaper. So students, please keep your mic on mute and do not present your screen. Just see and watch, see and understand what we are going to tell you, which will be very important for you, all of you, for all your life, and it will help you in developing your reading habits. It will help you in developing your newspaper reading skills. and will also help you in developing your personality. Some sometime later, what happens is when we come out of the school and we are concerned about our personality development. So personality development is one of the most important factor in today's lifestyle, and which can be developed if you are very good reader. So the let me start with the topic, and first of all I would like to like you to tell us I want to hear from the students, how do you read the newspaper? Please raise your hand, and I'll be putting you on the screen. Who would like to speak? Please tell your name. Oh, sorry guys, I was on mute and I was speaking. So today we are going to have a workshop on the newspaper reading skills. We are going to tell you how to read newspaper, how to develop your reading skills, which will eventually help you in your career, in your academics, as well as in your personality development. So a good reader is has a good personality. It's very obvious, and to get the good personality you have to be good reader. And how will you become a good reader? We can start with the newspaper, and we can start reading the small articles from the newspaper, which will eventually help you in developing your personality and reading skills. So Gaurav sir has also joined in. Now I would like to ask from the students, how many of you read newspaper?
Coming.
Okay, so can any one of you tell us, how do you read newspaper? How do you go about reading newspaper?
First by the headline.
Okay, then
Then we move on to the paragraph.
okay, and what is your understanding? How much do you understand the news?
Much.
Okay, no worries. Is there anyone else who would like to tell us? Any other student?
Sir,
Would you like to tell us, how do you read newspaper?
yes, sir.
Yes, tell us.
So by going on through topics like each and every topic like business, technology, world news, Indian news, everything ongoing on that, and something which is very outgoing and very populating, and by going all through that stuff like that, sir.
Very good. And anyone other? Akshita, Runa, would you like to share? See, you can, any student can share your experience with us, because I don't know names of all the students, but you can speak your name and you can tell us. Any other student? Okay, so let me start, student. I will share few tips with you. I'll tell you how newspaper is written, how his team is formed, how many days you need to develop your reading skill. Agni, the student coming on my screen with the name Agni Wings. Who is this? Stop making faces. Okay, so I'll be sharing how you should read the newspaper. First we should know how newspapers are written, how the team is formed. So okay, few more members have joined it. So first of all, I recommend that you need at least 21 days. 21 days are very important and very critical to develop newspaper reading skills and habit. Any habit you can develop within 21 days. I need from you 21 days and 21 minutes each day, at least minimum 21 minutes for 21 days. So you should note it down, the tips that I am telling you for developing your habits. Okay, so first of all, we'll talk about how the newspaper is written, what is the language which is being used in the newspaper. So students, you will find that all the newspapers are having one single newspaper. Even one single newspaper will have different kind of languages depending upon the pages of the newspaper, depending upon the events. Okay, so if we talk about the front page, you will find very fine English and very high level language on the first page. So the first page of the newspaper, the front page of the newspaper, is always written by the very highly profiled, very highly skilled professionals. Okay, then we move to the next pages, which is inside the newspaper. Then, so there are many teams. One team will be only responsible for writing one front page only. There will be other team which will be only responsible for the writing last page only. There will be other team who will be writing sports news. There will be a team who will be writing only local news. And you must have seen one article page inside the newspaper. It usually it comes in the center of the newspaper. If the newspaper is having 16 pages, then it will be on page number 8 or 9. Okay, so this is the toughest page that you read. So first of all, whenever you are starting reading newspaper, if you are a beginner, then you should always start from the middle pages, not the page of article, not even the page of sports, not even the page of last page of the newspaper. You must start from the page number 2 or 3. Okay, so this is the second tip. The first I told you 21 days, 21 minutes per day. The second, you should start reading newspaper if you are a beginner. I am again mentioning it, if you are a beginner. If you are a expert in reading newspapers, then you can start from any page. But if you are a beginner, you must start the reading newspaper where the local news is given. Okay, so first of all, you will start from there only. Then you will move to other pages inside the newspaper. You have to slowly come to the front page at last. So, and it is worth to mention here that you should first understand which newspaper you should start to read. You should not directly start reading the Hindu or the Times of India, because these are very highly professional, written by highly professional editors, and the language used in these newspaper are very high level. So you should always take the local newspaper. If you don't have local newspaper, even in these newspaper also you will find that there is a page of local news. So you will start from the local news only. first start from the local news, then go for your news of your interest. So you will come to the front page at last, and not at last, at the second last, and at last you will come to the article page, which is given in between the newspaper. Like, article page is very important. You understand lots of things from the articles, but it is also very tough to understand, to read. Okay, so this is the second thing. Now I'll talk about the next things. So what is the other thing? Now we must understand what is the language, what is the English being used in the newspaper. Okay, so I'll tell you the newspaper headlines. First of all, we'll talk about headlines, then inside article. Okay, so headlines are always written in present indefinite tense. Do you understand present indefinite tense? I am hoping that you all understand. If you don't understand, you must see what is present indefinite tense. Okay guys, so the third thing I am telling you, you must know the present indefinite tense to understand the headline. Whether the incident or the news is about the past, news is always about the past, but it will always be written in present indefinite tense as well as passive voice. Okay, means in the indirect way. So you must have seen the headlines. So for I will show you one example now. Please bear with me. I am showing you one of the example. I have one e-newspaper with me, so I am sharing my screen. Please just have a look on this. So students, are you able to see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see the headline on the front page. After uproar, CBSE says syllabus snip only for a year. So CBSE has already said it, but when newspaper is written, it will always be written in present indefinite tense. So they have written in present indefinite tense. CBSE says. They have not written CBSE said. They have written CBSE says, which is present indefinite tense. Okay, CBSE says syllabus snip only for a year. So that means it is very clear that CBSE has already said, but always in the newspaper it will be written as present tense. Okay, so next we will talk about the articles. The news inside the headline. So articles are always written in past indefinite tense. They will most at the 80% to 90% time they will only use past indefinite tense, or they will use passive voice, and headings will always be written in present indefinite tense. Okay, and they will be, if they are expecting something, if they are predicting something, then they will be a future tense. Otherwise all the news will be, the paragraph will be in past indefinite tense, and at most of the times, and the headlines will always be, headings will always be in present indefinite tense as well as passive voice. Okay student, so now how to read the newspaper. So first of all, so I have told you three things till now. Now the next thing is, when we start reading newspaper, we must have one notepad with us, because we are student. I am assuming myself also as a student, so we must have a notepad as well as a dictionary. So you all are students, you are still studying, you are still understanding the things. So I can understand that you all cannot understand meaning of each and every word which is written in the newspaper. So you should have dictionary and notepad. Now you may think that there are so many lakhs and lakhs of words. How can one remember all the words? So let me tell you one more secret, that newspapers are always written in limited words. So if you start reading every day, you will find there are common words being used again and again in everyday newspaper. Okay, so if you will start keeping a notepad with you and a dictionary with you, and while you are reading the newspaper in these 21 days, if you are reading each and every article very carefully, you should note down the words for which you don't know the meaning. You just note down the word, check the meaning in the dictionary and write it down. Once you have written the meaning of the word in your notepad, you will understand what is the exact meaning of the article or exact meaning of the paragraph. Then you will understand that next time whenever you read that word, you will automatically find that you know the meaning of that particular word. Okay, so now one more thing, that they only use limited words, and I can also tell you the limit of the words. They have only 3000 to 4000 words that the newspaper uses every day. So if you read paragraph articles, then you will find that the same word is being repeated again and again. The other thing is this is the fourth thing, and the fifth thing, which is also very important, you will find that as a beginner, when you start reading newspaper, you will find that you are being bored, or you are not finding it interesting. Do you feel that while reading newspaper sometime?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, it
Yes,
happens.
sir.
If as a beginner, when we start reading newspaper, we feel that this is not interesting and we find it boring. So how do we get rid of it? How do we get rid of this boring part? So when we start reading newspaper from the day one, what will we do? We will just read the paragraph, just read the article very fast. What will happen? Will not understand word by word meaning of each and every word or the sentence written in that paragraph, but you will at least understand the meaning, the topic, what the newspaper wants to convey. Okay, then slowly after a few days, when you will start noting down the words that you don't know in your notepad using dictionary or using internet, you will find that slowly and gradually you are able to understand each and every article written in the newspaper. Okay, this is the fifth thing. Now I'll tell you why did I tell you to read the middle pages first and front at the second last, and the article page, the which is at the center of the newspaper at very last. Because see, for each and every pages, for each and every article, there are different teams who work on it. So most of the people read which page of newspaper? So I hope you all know they will read front page of the newspaper and last page of the newspaper, and at the most sports news. Okay, so very less peoples very less people uses their very less people will read newspaper in between. So there are many teams formed. So best team will write which page? The front page, because most of the people will read the front page first. Then the second best team will write the last page, and third best team will write the sports news, and the bestest team, I would say bestest team, will write the authors, the big editors, they will write the article page of the newspaper. So that is why we have kept this sequence, that we will start reading the starting page of the middle page of the newspaper, then we will go to the sports news, then we'll go to the last page, then we'll go to the at last we'll go to then we go to the front page, and at last we go to the article page to understand it very clearly. Okay, so these are the things that you must understand, and you just follow. These are very small tips, there is nothing much, and you must. So I'll just quickly recap that what you should do while reading to develop your reading habit, develop your newspaper reading skills. First, I need your 21 days for 21 minutes each day to develop this habit in you to read the newspaper. Second, you must understand the tenses used in the, whether you read English newspaper, whether you read Tamil newspaper or Hindi newspaper, the things are same, things are similar in each and everything. So even if you are reading Tamil newspaper or Hindi newspaper, you will find the headings are given in the present tense, and the article is given in the past tense, and if there is any prediction, that will be given in the future tense. Okay, then the next thing is, you must keep one notepad, one dictionary with you while reading. Fourth thing is, you will start the news, initially you will not use the dictionary and the notepad, but you will read the articles very fast, so that you understand the topic at least, and it is not necessary understanding the complete word by word meaning. You will develop these skills slowly and gradually. Okay, the next thing is, sir, are you able to hear? It is coming? No. My voice is audible? No. Shit. Oh. I left. It removed me.
Yes, friends, someone say coming.
Sir, give me your Wi-Fi.
Wait for a while. Sir is coming.
सर आप एक काम करो, तो ये बोल दो कि जब तक पवन सर आ रहे हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट गौरव सर टू कंटिन्यू.
Okay, students. so the professor is coming. I request to Gaurav sir to share their
views.
views and their views about this program.
उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया, बोल रहे हैं गौरव। आपका पासवर्ड क्या है? आपका पासवर्ड वाईफाई चल रहा है। ओके,
currently what is, you all have Android phones, I think, and if not possible, you download the dictionary in your phone, in your mobile phone, and later I will tell you which dictionary is best for you to discover the meaning or find out. And first I recommend you, if you purchase Oxford dictionary, Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, that is best for you. You just keep yourself, because it develop your reading habit and enrich your vocabulary also. So in this way we could communicate others easily. So what happened when we are having good command in language, so we can communicate easily in the society, whatever topic or whatever the hesitations we are having in ourselves, that also will be eradicated, removed. So reading newspaper plays a very important role in our life. It mold ourselves, it develop our personality also, and we also aware about day-to-day news, current news. And what happened this time, students, actually when you will grow up, and when you face any exam, what happened now, all, whether you are trying to be anything, engineer, doctor, or whatever, the question from current also they ask, or if they are taking any personality test, they also ask the question from your current affairs, means related to your topic. What happened? They just what is the purpose of this, that you are aware what is going on in your society, you are aware what is going on in your nation, you are aware what is going on in your country and what is going on in your world. So in this way, means this is very important to keep this knowledge. And when you are having knowledge, you can also show your whatever the skill of expressions, and you can stand yourself among the society, among the people. In this way, we can say the reading newspaper plays very crucial role, very important role. And now, as Pawan sir told you, that if you are a beginner, you will face the problem that if you start reading the newspaper, every newspaper has its own language. Sometimes if you read about the Hindu, some high language or difficult language. The Times of India, if you compare with Hindu, a little bit easier, but we cannot say so easy. So every newspaper has its own language, but don't fear about that. If you start, as I told you, 21 days, because if you're trying to make any habit, so obviously you face difficulty, but don't worry. You just try to give time. Gradually, in upcoming days, as I told you, in 21 days, surely your habit will be formed. And once when habit formed, no problem is there. You cannot spend your day without reading the newspaper. So first thing, just form your habit. So by making this habit, what is, suppose that you are going to read the newspaper and you just started reading. Suppose that I recommend you just read this, the Times of India daily. So first time you just, what happened, you are going to buy the newspaper and you took and started reading. Surely you will face the problem. Many difficult words will come while reading the newspaper. But don't worry, you just write those words on your notebook and just consult with the dictionary and try to search what is the meaning of that particular word and note it down. And what happened when you in this way, you just read articles and whatever the news related to your what is going on, like sport or whatever activity on basis of politics and history and any relation and whatever the rules and whatever articles they had published, just so you just read and note down the difficult word on your notebook, and then you find out what is the meaning and continue. It will take time to finish the newspaper in starting, but never give up. Just continue reading, and sometimes gradually 1 or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. In this way, when you spend, what will occur? Those words, the meaning of those words who are looking for you so difficult, gradually after few days, they will look easy for you. So easily you can understand. And what is next thing I am telling you, while reading the newspaper, if you find any difficult word and you are not getting what is the meaning of that particular word, but when you read the sentence wholly and 1, 2, 3, 4 sentence, when you read, automatically contextual meaning will be figured out. You will get to know what is the meaning of the sentence and what this news want to convey. So it is called referential language, means reference. With the reference, you can decipher what is the real meaning of that particular sentence. So in this way, your language also will enrich. And what happened when you read the sentences in English, when you read any news item in English, what happened? Automatically your skill also develop. Means suppose that I am saying here, you are not making conversation to anyone, only you are just reading, but what is the things are going on in your mind, Means when the things, whatever the sentence is written, if you want to convey the same sentence to anyone or some related, any topic related to that particular thing, means the things will obviously go in your mind. So you can easily convey your thing to anyone in very particular language. So newspaper also enrich your language. Newspaper also build up your personality. It also helps you to participate in the conversation. It also helps you to set up yours. What happened? We try to make our identity among others, in our society. We are going, suppose that we want to lead the society, we want our own image in the society, and if you are not reading the newspaper, you are not aware about what is going on, what they are means what the country is doing, what the social issues are going on, so you cannot participate in social conversation also. And if you are reading the newspaper, the people used to talk about the things that are going on. You can also show your talent, set up yourself among those persons. Whatever the hesitations, that will also be removed. So in this way, you can use your newspaper as a tool that will help you a lot. And as I told you, every subject has its own language. This is called disciplinary language. So in this way, we can say it helps you a lot. If you want to make any query, you can ask me, and anything you want to know, any problem you face, students, just give reply, make interactions. Tell me.
Okay, Gaurav sir, no one wants to speak now. So I thank you very much for the for the tips that you have shared with the students. Now I would like to request Mukesh sir to share the tips and ideas to develop the newspaper reading skills. Since Mukesh sir is and I both are room partners, I see him whole day reading newspaper. So he'll be he'll be best to share his experience and ideas how he keep reading newspaper whole day. So may I invite Mukesh sir? What happened? Are you left? I'll call you here, sir. Okay. You come on my seat. Okay, students, so I am giving the screen to the Mukesh sir now. He'll be telling you about his experience and ideas. Please come.
Thank you, Pawan sir. Good afternoon, all of you.
Afternoon, sir.
Students, can you hear me? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, Pawan sir and Gaurav sir, they told you enough and very much about newspapers, how to build your habit to read a newspaper, and Gaurav sir also told about that. So I will share some more thing. I will add some more thing. So reading a newspaper is a must for all of you or for all of us. Being a student, being a educated person, this is a must to know about what the things going on in our society, in the world. So if you are not reading newspaper, then it's not good. So it should be a must part of our daily routine to read a newspaper, because there are so many social issues going on in our country. So we are directly connected to those. So many international issues are there, so many national issues are there, so many religious and other issues are there. So if you are not updated with that, then it's not good for being a student and being a educated person. So it's a expectation from you to you have to update it with the things what are going on in our country and society. Okay, now tell me anyone, what is the international problem India facing in these days?
Production of
Good, or any more?
about novel
Coronavirus, China just they are
production.
yes, they came into our boundary. Also terrorism from
About
Pakistan
sports.
side, you know. There are so many things. They not only international, so many national issues are there in our country, you know. So many religious issues are there, political issues are there. So you have to be updated. As Pavarsan told, newspaper reading, it will increase and it will make strength your personality. So if you become a strong personality, a attractive personality, then you should command what is the things going on in our country and in our society. If you are not updated, then it's a lacuna in our personality. So you should something that you can conversation with the other people and your surrounding. So if you want to converse and you want to share your ideas, you should have your view. You said you have to some updates with the things, so you can speak and discuss. So this is a must part, study newspaper. And what is the other benefits? Not only news. If you are reading newspaper provides us so many things, so many other things, like about health. So there are some special editions and special day we can find some special things about the different of subjects and aspects. If you are reading daily newspaper, then you can get knowledge about the health and the actual current knowledge, what we need actual. And remember, knowledge is the essential thing for a personality, a strong personality. So knowledge is a strength in the present era, in the present time period, and this should be current knowledge. So what required for us, newspaper will provide you. So about health, now we all are facing the coronavirus disease COVID-19. So how to be aware, what should be our lifestyle in this era, and what is the guidelines from health ministry. So if you are aware, you can make aware your family, you can make aware your society. So and so many disaster also, how the government works, how they manage disasters. So if you read newspaper, if you observe the things, you will be mature and you can develop your ideas, your thinking ability, your views if you are reading newspaper, and if you are observe the things. Okay, and though there are so many political issues also, so in your different your classes there is different subjects. You will read political science, you will read history, and also many things. So if you are reading a newspaper and if you are updated with the things what going on in your country, so you can understand better the things in your syllabus, topics in your syllabus. So this is a must thing, we should read a newspaper. So there are so many things Pawan sir and Gaur sir told you. Now I want to share with you some other things like fake news. Students, remember, the newspaper is most trustable source for news. Okay, if you are not reading newspaper, you will get some messages from Facebook and WhatsApp and other things. So you know, fake news are destroying, is a poison for our society and for us. So newspaper is a most trustable source. For example, you know, recent in the beginning of this COVID-19, there is a fake news that chicken can spread COVID-19, the coronavirus, and this fake news made a very big loss for our this poultry farm industry. So if you are not aware, then it not seems a educated person, it's not suitable for you. And I am not satisfied with the today's national news channels, because they are just picking any most interesting topic, and they are just going on this only. So if you are reading newspaper, you can get knowledge and news about every aspect and all over entire country, what is the essential news and updates for us. So we have to read newspaper on daily basis. So Pawan sir told you how to you can make your habit for reading newspaper, so you can apply, but it is must, you have to make this habit, and it will make your personality very strong. And if you are now you are in a school, but if you will go to compete any exam, the current affairs and the current updates will be must part of your examination. So you should be familiar with that. This is an essential part of your education, so you have to familiar with that. And the one of the most part of newspaper is the editorial. So there are so many issues, this is little hard and high issues, but you have to read news editorials also, so you can develop your view on the things, what the things going on in our country and world. So how governments working in our country and how other things are going on. So if you are reading the different views of the experts, then you can make your opinion, your own opinion. So this is very essential to have your own opinion on the things, what is the things going on in our country. So make this habit to read newspaper daily basis. and as I told, not only news, you will get so many good things, so many inspirations from newspaper. Not only news, you will get so many success stories, so many inspiration. You can make a register, you can take the cuttings from newspapers, so it will help you to achieve your target and to be a updated person. So as I also doing these things, so not only health, not only inspiration, religion, agriculture, disaster management, politics, there are so many things you will learn from newspaper. So apart this your formal education, newspaper is the must part for our day-to-day life. So I hope you will all will be with that, and you will start the habit of newspaper reading. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukesh sir, for sharing your views and sharing your tips with the students about the reading newspaper. Okay, so student, in the meanwhile, I have also found one very important thing. I'll share one of the link with you guys. This is www.toistudent.com. Okay, so there is a website from Times of India, www.toi.com. Are you guys able to listen my voice? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so there is a website, toistudent.com. so from where you can get e-newspapers for reading online. So these newspapers are very written in the very simple language, specially designed for the students to read, and it will be very helpful for all of you. I am trying to download one of the newspaper from the site. I'll send you the website address to all the students for your help. If you want to read the e-newspaper from that website, I'll just share the copy of that newspaper. It's yesterday's newspaper, which is specially meant and designed for the students only. So now I'll just now share my screen with you guys. So see guys, are you able to view this newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes,
a newspaper from Times of India, specially designed for the students only, and this is published according to the states. So you will find different for Delhi, different for Mumbai, for all the major cities they publish it. These newspapers are written in a very easy language to understand for the students. If you would like to read, I'll share the link of the website. You can go there and download your personal copy of e-newspaper and read it. So even if you don't get the hard copy of the newspaper, you can use this e-newspaper for reading. So if you read, you will find that whatever I have told you about the writing skills and everything, about the writing pattern and the languages and everything, you will find it all in these newspapers. So now let's move, let's not make it a very lengthy workshop. I would like to request Indaraj Meena sir to speak. I'll just put him on the screen, and I'll request him to start. So Indaraj Meena sir. Indaraj Meena sir, are you able to? Sir, are you getting our voice?
Yes, sir, I am getting now.
Yeah. Sir, please share your important and valuable views with the students so that they can take the
First of all, sir,
yes.
good afternoon to everyone. First, I want to say, Pawan sir, thank you so much. You made a library blog, and it's very important for our students, our school, and our KVS. You are doing wonderful job as a librarian post. So I appreciate to you, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you, sir, for inviting here to me. Dear students, as you know, what is the importance of newspaper and how to read all these things. All speakers told about these ones. I'm telling to you basic of the knowledge newspapers. What is the basic of knowledge and how to read newspapers. I'm going to presenting my screen. I'm telling what is the headlines, what is the title, what is the most read. These things I'm telling to you now. So please watch my presentation carefully. Dear students, you can see I have one picture. See the Times. Here you can see this is the logo of the newspaper, and the Times is the most read. The Times is the most read, and you can see here these bold capital letters are here headline. Already Pawan sir told about this one. Always newspaper headline written in present tense. You know what is the present tense? Where you use present tense? You can use grammar rules, but it is compulsory that all newspaper headlines will be in present tense. You can see this picture also. This arrow is going for the articles. This is the article here. It is normally photo. Dear students, this is the caption. What is the caption of picture? Here given downside the caption. You can see here. And one is the jump line. What is the jump line? Can you tell me? Anyone can you tell me what is the jump line? Jump line means your paragraph will be finished and move to on next line. That is the jump line. here is the website downside, and this is the menu of the newspaper. This is the basic understanding things about newspapers. Now I am coming to basic topics. Can you tell me which newspaper would you like to read?
So BBC.
BBC newspaper or news channel.
Sir, Republic Bharat.
Republic Border, okay.
The Times of India.
Okay, Times of India. That just one student asked
Republic
that.
Bharat.
Okay. Now listen to me. Just one student asked, sir, which newspaper is best for improving English? According to my opinion, first one is the Hindu, and second one is the Indian Express. Because in both newspapers, they are using new words. They are using always idiom phrases, one word. They didn't write full words. They are using idiom phrases, one words for the news, and they are writing very high level English. And the Hindu didn't do any mistake by the grammatical mistake. Always the Hindu written very good nice form. So I think the Hindu is the best newspaper for the improving English. Now I am asking to you, how many hours should a person devote to reading newspaper? 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours?
So 1 hour.
1 hour, okay. Anyone?
Sir, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Sir,
Yes,
30
sir.
minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, listen. Some students telling 30 minutes. Some students are telling 1 hour, 2 hours. But if you are reading completely want to newspaper, if you are going speedily, then maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes is okay. But if you want every words to words, minimum you require 2 hours. If you want complete newspaper, minimum require 2 hours. And in this time you can see center the page of the newspaper, any newspaper you can take. The main things will be there, one editorial. That is the best things in the any newspaper. Because editorial summary of the in last week or last months and last year, what is the going in the world. Who's that one? Please stop your presentation. First, if you are reading newspapers, you should need a comfortable place to read any newspaper. If you want silently read the newspaper, you require a comfortable place. And in student's life, we require so many knowledge like techno, science, English grammatical. You will take with you pen, pencil or register. You will make notes according to your level and what are interesting things. Suppose you are like most sports. First open the newspaper and directly go to sports page. Then if you are reading that one, your interest will be increased. So it's one thing idea that you can develop habit reading newspapers. And one more thing, if you are going outside, today you have, I think all students having mobile, Android mobiles, so you can easily open anywhere and any place online newspapers. It is not necessary today that you should have copy of newspaper. Anytime you can open any newspaper by the online. Next one, decide your purpose. What is your purpose? Suppose maybe some students are interested in politicians, some students interested in sports, some students like science news, some students like entertainment. So first, what is your purpose? Then you will decide which page is most important for me. Third one is, suppose your newspaper has completed now, evening time, again when you will be free, you will take your newspaper, already you summarize that newspaper, again see what is the important for me. These are the basic points of the newspaper, and if you continuously 3 months or 4 months, automatically it's your routine. Without newspaper you can't do nothing. First you will sit your table and daily read the newspaper. First is your work, but first you require 3 or 4 months put your habit, develop your habits about reading newspapers. And one more thing, if you are reading the Hindi newspaper, so many grammatical rules will be there, new word meaning will be there, so you require a dictionary, because without dictionary you can't clear what is the meaning of the lines. So when you are sitting with English newspaper, at least you will take your dictionary with you. It is easy for you if you are taking dictionary, where you are finding the difficult understanding the meaning of the lines. Directly you will open the dictionary and see what is the meaning of these lines and what is the meaning of this word. So it is easy for you. These are the main points by my side. I hope all students will understand. And again, Pawan sir, thank you so much for inviting to me here.
Thank you, Inder sir. I hope students, you must have got something very important and something very useful.
Pawan sir.
Thank you, Inder sir, for sharing your views. I think all the students have been benefited with all the views that you have shared. Gaurav sir has shared and Mukesh sir has shared. And I hope students, you must have got something, at least few ideas how to start reading newspaper. So you just remember the key things that we have told you. One, you should start reading. You should initially you should start reading newspaper from the inside, not from the front page. Then slowly you go to the sports page, then last page, then first page, and at the last you will go to article page, which is the given in the center of the newspaper. Then you need 21 days, 21 minutes every day for developing this reading habit. You must know the present tense, past tense, and passive voice to understand the language of the newspaper, because the headlines are written in present tense and passive voice, and the articles inside stories are written in past indefinite tense. Then you need to keep one during your initial phase, you need to read the newspaper very quickly, just thoroughly. You just read the paragraph. You may not understand the full meaning of word by word, but you will definitely be able to understand the topic. And the last thing is, you need to keep one notepad with you, one dictionary with you, whether it is online or offline. Keep a dictionary and one notepad, just note down the words. What happens is, all the newspaper are surrounding between 3 to 4,000 words. After some time you will find that your vocabulary has drastically improved and you are able to understand the complete news written in the newspaper. Okay guys, and I hope you guys have all the students have enjoyed the session, and please share your feedback if you want to, and I'll also share the link for the e-newspaper, and please share your feedback on the WhatsApp group. You all have my number, and or you can send me the email also. Thank you students. I would request all the students to please now leave the group. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.